While building a ship is considered as an engineering feat, a combination of science and art, ship recycling is even more than that. It requires extreme caution, skilled workforce, advanced technology, and compliance to various international standards. It is one of the most challenging and arduous tasks amongst all recycling industries. Covering an impermeable floor of 15,000 square meters at the edge of the Bay of Bengal, the PHP ship recycling facility is one of the world's finest. Leveraging technology, uncompromising commitment towards the environment and people, and adherence to worldwide standards, we at PHP are pioneering the green and sustainable ship recycling industry in Bangladesh. PHP Family is one of the most diversified and eminent business enterprises of Bangladesh. Beginning with a wide range of flat to long steel products and establishing the first float glass industry in Bangladesh, PHP has set the pace of growth with its continuous expansion into aluminium, textiles, power generation, petroleum, real estate, equity management, agro, education and healthcare. Starting the journey back in 1982, the PHP ship recycling facility is now capable of handling and recycling up to 100,000 light displacement tonnage per year. The water-repellent concrete floor for cutting and recycling activities, tower crane for cut block handling, crane-mounted floating platform for handling blocks in intertidal zone, and other cranes to perform the labour-intensive work are the first of their kind in the Bangladesh ship recycling industry.
I guess the most obvious one is the degree of mechanisation and industrialisation. Certainly the first tower crane I've seen on a ship recycling plot in the subcontinent, and on top of that, the way the staff are taken care of, where they can go and sleep and rest and wash themselves and even pray in the mosque. So many changes, many good changes.
PHP ship recycling has adequate containment, spill cleanup and treatment equipment to maintain superior environmental practices, as well as preventing any leakage or spillage on ground and in the intertidal zone. There is a separate cleaning station with high-pressure water jet to clean oily pieces, and a dedicated storage tank for oily water with treatment facility, which is also capable of recycling the bilge water. The effective drainage system and adequate storage capacity are there for rain and wastewater, and the treatment facility is also capable of treating ballast water. We strictly maintain the use of personal protective gear and assure environmental safety during asbestos handling on ship and at the shore. Adequate and separate storage areas for hazardous waste, LPG, oxygen and other gases are in line. The incineration facility is used for the disposal of certain categories of waste, and the waste compression machine for easy storage, specifically glass wool and insulating materials. With total capacity of 300 kilowatts captive power generation plant, it ensures uninterrupted operations for the entire facility. We value our workforce by putting the utmost priority on their safety and healthcare. After being trained at the Bangladesh Shipbreakers and Recyclers Association, we arrange further regular training at an in-house training centre to develop a skilled workforce. Use of personal protective equipment is compulsory for every worker. We perform instant mock drills on firefighting to exercise our effective firefighting system with sufficient water storage facility. The workforce is familiar with using the rescue boat and speedboat if an emergency rescue situation arises. Our workers can enjoy the services of the well-equipped medical facility and ambulance, and also have full access to the BSBRA hospital. We care for our workers with comfortable accommodation, clean and hygienic washroom facilities, canteen, recreation room, and prayer room. There are 2 water treatment plants with a total capacity of 3,500 litres per hour to ensure pure and hygienic water supply. By implementing globally accepted safety practices and pollution-free operational capability, the PHP ship recycling facility has been awarded with the Statement of Compliance to Hong Kong International Convention for the Safe and Environmentally Sound Recycling of Ships for the first time in Bangladesh. PHP Ship Recycling Facility is also the pioneer on achieving the ISO certifications. We have implemented all requirements to meet the European Union ship recycling regulations.
2 quotes from my father always inspires me. If your dream doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. And if your heart is in your dream, no desires are too extreme. We had a big dream, and after a long journey, PHP has achieved Statement of Compliance under Hong Kong Convention for the first time in Bangladesh, and we are proud of this achievement.
We were brought on board to work on a very exciting initiative here in Bangladesh called the Sustainable Ship Recycling Initiative. Everything you see here is the journey to try and improve the environmental and social standards here, not only in Chittaging but in PHP particularly. We have seen a massive improvement in the environmental and social standards, the accommodations and quarters for the workers, food and water that is being provided to them, the training, the protective equipment and gear, and then looking at the environmental improvements in their actual operations.
Throughout this journey, we got total support from the government of Bangladesh, especially Ministry of Industries, and we are thankful to them.
The ship recycling industry is very important to Bangladesh, and of course it's also important for Bangladesh to comply with national and international rules. The Netherlands Embassy has executed a small program in 2013 together with PHP, and PHP have received our program so well because they are one of the leaders in this industry. I think that the workers from now on will work in a less hazardous environment. Also, occupational safety will be taken care of.
The IMO Secretary General visited PHP facility, and he was really impressed to see what we have in place. We are glad to have many European ambassadors visiting our facility, and they also complimented what we have done in Bangladesh.
We are thankful to the media and the civil society organizations for their support.
Shipbreaking and Recycling Industries Limited গত 2 বছরে গড়ে তুলেছে গ্রিন শিপ ব্রেকিং ইয়ার্ড।
কিছু শিপইয়ার্ডের মালিক এখন কিছু ভালো উদ্যোগ নিচ্ছে। পিএইচপি তাদের একটি বিশাল উন্নয়ন কর্ম পরিকল্পনা নিয়ে তারা সামনে এসেছে এবং তারা উন্নয়নের দিকে এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে।
Yes, we are a responsible ship recycler, and we want the responsible ship owners to come and support us, which is very important.
We want to send a message out to the world, to the ship owners of Europe, of Asia, and to the NGOs, and to everyone. Seeing is believing. Come and see for yourself. Come to Bangladesh, come to Chittaging, come to PHP, and see what leading by example looks like.
Caring for the environment, the people and all living species is our motto of sustainability. We at PHP are the change maker of sustainable ship recycling in the world.